You already know, after a year of coming back, it is, actually, I think it's been a year, pretty much. We're gonna ride the Schindler elevator down again. I think it's coming down from the 3rd floor. Hopefully. Last time I came here, the lights were out in it, so. Taking the stairs down, if anything. Okay, cool, sweet. Alright, we're outside again. There's the round one and the XB1000, the swamp cooler, and that temp star. We're gonna go up on the tower and we're gonna show you some of the units. It's kind of cold outside, less wind than last year though. I have looked at the footage recently and I'm trying to spot some units that have been replaced. That 93 train has been taken off, apparently. The XL 1200. We'll go by there in a minute. Right there is a 2016 temp star. I believe it's a 3-ton. Right there's their little Christmas display that they have every year. I believe something used to be there. I should probably check some more footage because I don't exactly remember. Let's just get up here. That little mini split right there, which I believe wasn't here last time I came here, is running. That unit right there, the Bryant Legacy, I didn't notice that, but it replaced a Tech 2000 silencer system a couple of years back. It looks like they've had the roof redone since I last saw this place. Over there, sorry, I'm cold. Heil 5000, Smart Comfort, Evcon, Luxair, I believe that's an ICP unit back there, and a Comfort Maker. Right there's the XL 1200. Looks like it's got the older tag on it. Right there you see Train Precedent, and back over there you see a Voyager. And there's a better view of that XL12 or XE 1200, my bad. I'm cold. I'm very cold. And over there at that business, Big Care Weathermaker package units. Sorry y'all, I'm freezing my butt off today. It's colder than it was last year, minus the wind. I don't know if that was here last year. Right here we've got a Gemini, a Train XB, and another Gemini. Trust me y'all, I'm cold. Right here we've got a Comfort Maker and another Gemini. I doubt the thermal zone is going to be running today. Actually, I know for a fact this thermal zone is not going to be running. Yeah. Here's the thermal zone. I believe this thing is a 10-ton from 2016? Yeah. 2016 10-ton thermal zone split system. I haven't gone this far before, but oh god, there's somebody right there. Got a few units right here. A little carrier. This thing is a, no way in hell this thing is a 1999 2-ton. And 2 other units. Feel free to decipher that for yourself. Ooh, right here we got a little carrier mini split. Oh wow, look at this. An all round one. Wow, I've never seen one of these units. This one is from January of '83. See if I can find a, yeah, I can't. I believe it said a 2.5 ton. And this one is a little carrier. I don't feel like getting around to the data tag on that one. There's a little Heil, I think, or Addison. I'm not quite sure, but pretty cool find. I'm not going to approach it though. There's probably people that are there at the moment. Temp stars and eco temps. I hear an old screw, but I'm not gonna approach it. Yeah, because I was right there with these 2 units. 3 if you count that one. That one's got to be a little 1 ton. Is this one a carrier or Bryant? Yeah, carrier. 38 BRK, I think. Okay, found my way back by the thermal zone. I have a hurt ankle right now, and nothing is gonna stop me from getting some YouTube content for y'all. I probably should have done better at tracing out some of the units I wanted to video. Oh well. All right, we're here. These units, I remember these. I remember this one. I don't know why they took the top off the 93. You can see a large compressor, recip. This one right here, I believe that's a 2010 7.5 ton. I got these units confused last time. I believe this one was a performance and it has a Millennium in it. Oh yeah, this one was brand new last time I came here. This one was an LG 2021. I'm gonna go up here. I'm not getting data on that one. And yeah, that one is a older unit with a recip, older XB. Actually, newer style XB with a recip. My bad. That one has a big ass compressor blanket on it. I believe this was a 3 ton. Only a 3 ton. To clarify. XR12s. I'm gonna cross the street right here. Ow. Oh, something new is here. There's something new. Trenton refrigeration component. Brand new looking, but has bird crap all over it already. That's funny. This is a 2010 XR13. I believe this one is a 5 ton. Alliance scroll. Tag's coming off. Tried to get their tag back on there for them. I was debating taking it, but I'm not banned. I'm sorry, van. Here's those Gree inverters. All right, so we officially crossed the street, so we're probably gonna go down to those chillers or this ICP unit first, or Pyle 5000, whichever one. It's around the corner here. I don't think I hear it running. Haven't seen this unit run, but last time I've been here, it was December still. And not many of these units were running anyway. Dang. Here's this little Pyle 5000 with the scroll. Absolutely destroyed. Data sheet. Last time I came here, that one over there was running. Oh, this one just started up. The Smart Comfort just started up. Real nice. And there's that Tech 2000 silencer system again. There's a base model back there. I really don't want to get in trouble. Oh wow, this place has been absolutely overgrown. That's kind of cool, actually. It's actually getting some frost on it. I think I should wait and see if it goes into a defrost. But y'all won't see that video. Yeah, I'm gonna wait here and see if it goes into a defrost. Yep, I'm gonna wait on it. See here if I could get some data on it right quick. 2015 4-ton, so that'll be something to note whenever I get a defrost. If I get a defrost, I'll be able to hear the reversing valve switch over from here. But here's this newer one. It has a, oh wow, it looks like this one just defrosted. Yeah, that one just defrosted. Damn, I could have caught that. But there was some dude walking by, waiting on a defrost. Hearing if this reversing valve will switch over. It'd be cool if this big beast would start up. That one just shut down. I thought it was this one going into a defrost cycle for a second. I was like, oh, decent defrost. It's about 44 degrees outside at the moment. So yeah, definitely colder than it was last year. And this one just shut off. I didn't hear a reversing valve switch over, so I'm guessing that it's just it satisfying. Oh well, I'll get out of here before I get caught. Been looking for these alleyways for the past 10 minutes. That looks new. I'm gonna have to see. And I hear a unit running. You've got to be kidding me. It's 2021 3.5 ton. Emerson Copeland scroll. Copeland scroll. I believe these are Eco Temps. I can't read it. I think it's a 2011 Eco Temp up there. Refrigeration components. I believe those are by Larkin or Bone. This one is an American Standard, and it has a Alliance Scroll 2012 4-ton. This one is another American Standard. It's got an Alliance Scroll compressor. It is a 2011 5-ton. This one is yet another American Standard with the Alliance Scroll, and it is a 2011 5-ton. This one right here is a smaller American Standard. It has a Alliance scroll compressor. It's a 2012 4-ton. Heil 5000 and an American Standard. 2 American Standard Allegiance 13s. Okay, let's see here. Damn. None of these units are running. Loud ass Mercury vapor light though. No, it got replaced. Oh, never mind. I thought that unit got replaced. I was scared for a second. There's a 2019, no, 2015 5-ton, I believe. NXA4. Yeah, 5-ton. Temp Star unit. It's got the LG scroll. Not a big fan of that, but oh well. This little Scotsman was running last time I was here. It's not now. ERC 411. Let's see here, what other units we got? Train Odyssey up there, Swamp Cooler, some other units, I believe a Goodman, York, and a Ream. Right here we've got a little York. This one has a Bristol. Oh shoot. This one is a 3-ton from, I can't read upside down. Yep, it's a 3-ton, but I don't know from what day. Oh shoot, I forgot about the York model, or the serial number. Sometimes 98, 1998. Oh, I had myself pretty much upside down. I'm dizzy now. Here's this York that was running last time I was here. It's a 5-ton from 2018. This one is a Rude. It is a 2006 4-ton. This one was brand new last time I came here. Looks like it's a little dirty. ECM motor. Copeland scroll, Emerson Copeland scroll. Or is it a LG? LG scroll. With a Gentech. It's a pretty high quality unit. Yeah, 2021 5-ton, 16 seer. These units are running. The Luxairs finally. Oh shoot. Oh. The dual zone, I believe 2019, running in heat mode. Yep, both running in heat mode. Dual zone Luxairs. I hear one of these units hissing. It's this one again. Huh. One of these units just started up. It is this one. Nope, it's not. It's the other one. It's the Performance in the far back. Is it a Performance or a base model? I don't know. No. Oh, I thought. I won't start it up again. But that one back there is running. The Smart Comfort's running again. Wonder if this one's running in heat. We're indeed running in heat mode. These are all heat pumps. Would be cool if I could come back and get them defrosting, but that's not likely. Yeah, this Aqua Snap is not running today. It'd be cool if I could go in here. Nope. But there's that old semi-hermetic chiller. And here's that newer Aqua Snap. I don't know if I could find any data on it from through the fence. Yeah, there it is, Aqua Snap. Oof. I wish I could catch them running. Oh well. Buoy trap question mark? Got a Carrier Performance right here. There's a window right there. Damn it. Oh, it's disconnected. Compressor blanket, 2015 3-ton. Dang, it's pretty new. It's unfortunate. And a Tech 2000 silencer system right there. Right here we got us a little Train XB 1000. It is a 1.5 ton from 2005. EcoTemp, Bryant, another Bryant. Ooh, a little comfort maker. Pure fan motor. Tiny Amana units, some Goodman units over there. The Guardian and one of these. Ooh, I like those. That's a nice line. A little stamped octagon. What is that, a Haider? Yeah, it sucks that this unit is disconnected for some reason. That really baffles me. It's a 2015 3-ton Carrier Performance and it's just disconnected. Weird. That is so weird. Yep, I walked all this way to find the units and they're all up on the roof. Besides a few of these that look like they're all right here. That sucks. Oh! Well, I'll be damned. Let me go. I'll be there in a second after I film these. XE 1100s, it looks like. This is risky because it's at the church school. XE 1100 and an Evcon. Not getting data sheets on any of these. It appears that this unit doesn't run anymore. But this looks like it's an old tabletop unit. Yep, old Carrier. Let's see here. Wow, that's nice. You know, I'm surprised I haven't been shot yet. Where's some wood? Wood! Need wood! Here's a little ICP commercial unit right here. And it's got a Copeland scroll. Where's the date tag? 3-ton from, oh shoot. 2000. No, 2002. I always keep those. There's a what looks like a Bryant and a Ecotech unit up there, and over here we got a Daikin, whatever y'all say. And it looks like it's been, I don't know. I thought it was installed differently last time. I'd have to check. And I believe up there some Armstrong units up. Over there. But I'd have to check on that. The Allegiance 13, one of the Allegiance 13s is running up there. I wonder if any of these units have been running today. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. There's something running. I don't know. One of these units got replaced recently. I don't know. Have to look into my footage again. I didn't look that well. Ooh. Got an old Admiral up there. That's cool. Now here's something running. Just don't be a fucking, yep, I figured. I figured it'd be this little unit. It's pushing out cold air. So I'm guessing it's came up to me again saying my storage was full. God dang. But yeah. Last time I came here, this unit was running in about this kind of weather. So I don't know, it might turn on. I don't know how much more time I have here today. I've never seen that unit run. Oh. I've never seen this unit run. And I've never seen that unit run. I really need to come back here during the summer months. But I can't ever get here during the summer months. This unit's running. But only that unit, unfortunately. Oof. Thought I was able to see right through the walk-in on that one. That's sad that they took the top off this dang unit. Wish I had a GoPro. I'd set it down to try to get a startup of some of these units. Never seen that one run. I've been coming here for 3 years. In case of y'all are wondering, that's the unit I took the logo off of. Showed it a couple times on Discord, but that's about it. These units are all regularly cycling. Doesn't look like I'll be getting a defrost of any of them though. It's warm. Damn. There's a truck over there, but I'd like to video this unit that's running right now. Shoot, it's running. God dang. Little Trenton walk-in condenser. It's running. That's pretty good. Has this train been running any? Nope, not at all. Fuck. It's a heat pump though. I believe B means heat pump. No, 4TTR. I'd have to look that up. Couple of units right here. at this little building that looks like it doesn't get used anymore. Alliance Scroll. Can't get around to the data on that one. Oh, never mind. This is a 5-ton from 2008, and this one is a Heil, I believe. Heil. Yeah. 5-ton from 2000. This one is a little one. 3.5-ton from 05. Little tiny Temp Star, Smart Comfort 2000. It's got a, oh wow, it's actually an older one with a Bristol micro channels. It's a 2018 2-ton. That's interesting. I didn't think they had them.